Okay, today we are driving on the I-35 access road in Jarrell, Texas. And we are going to the Valley View RV Park. This is someplace I've stayed several times before. It opened in, I think, early 2018, maybe late 2017. It opened in 2 phases. The second phase was just finished here within the last year. It has 74-foot pull-through sites, so can handle most all big rigs. They have 24-hour laundry facilities as well as 24-hour showers and bathrooms. And it's here on the west side of the highway as we're turning in here. You'll see the office there in front of us that has the restrooms and laundry. Mostly gravel sites. There are poured concrete pads for patios, and you have to be careful with them because if you park your rig or your truck on them, they're going to likely crack. So they ask you not to do that. I've met the owner. Very nice guy, and it's about an hour north of Austin. And even though the RV park is right next to the highway, they have a large stone fence built in front that you don't really get much noise from the highway. They have a dog park. We just passed that just a second ago. They now have about 200 RV sites in total. For more information, you can go to vvrvpark.com, and that'll give you what the daily, monthly, and weekly rates are. As I say, it's mostly vacant at this point in time because the second phase of the park just opened up. But if you want someplace to stay in Central Texas, this is about an hour from Austin, about an hour from Waco, 2.5 hours from Dallas, probably 2 hours to San Antonio, and probably 3.5 hours to Houston. So nice central location, and as I say, it's big RV sites. I'm going to continue on after this, and we're going to drive through the town of Jarrell. Jarrell was founded in 1909. There is a really beautiful old gas station that's right along the highway, and I think they've turned that into a thrift shop, so great place to get some pictures. It's a relatively small town, although it's had quite a bit of development of late, being as close as it is to Austin and just centrally located. In 1997, there was an F5 tornado that hit the city, killing 27 people as well as 300 cows and horses. Real close to the RV park here is Brookshire Brothers Grocery Store. I still go there shopping even though I'm down in Georgetown, which is only about 12 miles away. So very convenient. They also have a tractor supply company and a whole bunch of information. I mean, different stores, restaurants there in town. You can find out more information about the city at thecityofjarrell.com. And we're getting ready to exit out the RV park here and go on down the highway, and you'll be able to see the rest of Jarrell. And I'll point out a few things as we go by here. So again, this will be turning right, heading south on the I-35 frontage road. Coming up here is the first intersection. The Texaco station here will be coming up on the right. The old gas station. I think it's Texaco, I'm not certain. Has the Pegasus Wings logo out front, so that may be I may be mistaken on what brand that is, but that's here on the right. As you turn right here, there's a nice little Mexican restaurant, as well as a old general market that's been here for a long time. Say not a very big downtown area, but it's a neat little town. We'll turn left here and go up and drive by the grocery store and Tractor Supply and O'Reilly Auto Parts. But as I say, I like this little town. I've been here several times. Stayed here several times, and just a very convenient place to come and stay. So anyhow, if you like what I'm doing, please like this video and subscribe. And other than that, I will talk to you soon. Thank you, and have a great day.